Today, we're going to talk about understanding plant hardiness zones and selecting plants that will thrive in your area. When it comes to gardening, it's important to select plants that are well suited to your climate. One way to do this is by looking at plant hardiness zones. These zones are based on average low temperatures and indicate which plants are most likely to survive in a given area. To find your local hardiness zone, you can look it up online or check with your local nursery or garden center. Once you know your zone, you can select plants that are well suited to your area. It's important to keep in mind that even within a hardiness zone, microclimates can vary. Your garden may be in a particularly sunny or shady spot, or it may be sheltered from the wind. So you should also consider the conditions in your specific location when selecting plants. By understanding plant hardiness zones and selecting plants that are well suited to your area, you can ensure that your garden will thrive. Check the link below to start your journey to a beautiful and bountiful garden. Happy gardening!